Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of my Floral Oasis painting and creation. I wanted to just show you what I'm working on here, and it's going to involve two little parts within part 2. So I have gone ahead and outlined my initial outlines in black. That is kind of what I like to do, and I typically always do this in paintbrush, but I'm using a Posca pen for this today. I'm going in and adding all this different little white detail, little areas of the stem, contrasts nicely within the little petals, and then adding in some swirls. There's going to be a lot happening in this piece, I've decided, and this is just the beginning. I'm going to set the flower side to dry while I work on these little color blocks. What I'm doing here is I'm going to take my paints. I'm going to take my yellow, I'm going to take some red, teal, purple, and I'm going to just start creating some color blocks. I'm not going to show you yet how these are going to turn out, but it's going to be a really interesting, cool texture within this little painting. So I'm kind of going in, adding in some little lines, and just going to start thinking about how to incorporate those little color blocks. Be sure to double tap, like, and follow for part 3. You don't want to miss it.